I'm sorry, your car is a total loss.
Oh my God. I still haven't paid off my car loan.
Okay, calm down. Let's take a look at your policy. Let's see if you have GAP coverage.
Okay, the good news is that you have GAP coverage.
Yeah.
Now tell me about your loan situation.
Okay, sure. I still owe $28,000 on my car loan. How much will you pay me for my loss?
We will pay you up to $22,000 for your loss.
And then what? I end up paying the balance, $6,000 from my pocket?
Without GAP coverage, you would have to pay the balance $6,000 yourself. But your GAP coverage would typically cover that $6,000 minus any deductible, depending on the policy.
Auto loan or lease gap coverage is extremely important. It pays the difference between what you still owe on your loan and the amount your auto insurer pays if your vehicle is totaled or stolen.